Okay, so we're going to learn a new rule about rational exponents. And it's when we have something equaling something. So now we're going to add an equation into all of this. So here's our rule. When we have a to the n equaling b to the m, so those are just numbers or variables, we can rewrite it from left to right. And so in the previous examples I called it reverse, reverse. This one I'm going to call it turn it out. Okay. So we're going to start with a and loop it the other way. So you're going backwards. What this will look like is you'll have a stays, it equals the nth root of b to the m. Okay, so that's an intermediate step. The next step here is to take this and rewrite it. Okay, remember n is my root. So when I rewrite this as a exponent, n is my root. It goes on bottom and m goes on top. So we're just taking what we had before and rewriting it backwards. I'll show you. So here's example number 4, letter A. And the first thing I'm going to do is stick a little exponent here. We know any number to the first power is still itself. So I'm going to do the turn it out rule. I'm going to start with this 2, swoop around to that 1, and grab that x. So now it's going to be 2 equals the x root of 16 to the first. From here, I'm going to take, so that's this step here. I'm going to take this step and rewrite it. So I know 2 is going to equal, x is my root. So I know 16 is my base, x is my root over 1. So it's 2 equals 16 to the 1 over x power. And that's where I want us to stop. We're just rewriting, we're not solving, we're not doing anything fancy. So just this for now. Again, letter B, I'm going to do the same process. So I'm going to write this to the first power. That's going to help me set this up. So I'm going to start with the x and loop around. Okay, x stays equals the 4th root of 12 to the first power. Okay, 4 becomes my root. Okay, and 12 to the first power stays. Now I'm going to rewrite it so that this part here is an exponent. So x equals 12. Now which one goes on the bottom? Well, the root goes on the bottom, 4 over 1.